What up, world? It's your boy Canon Corey, man, and I'm outside about to show you what it's like being out here in these Houston streets. Right now I'm about to head out to 5015. If you guys haven't really seen this place or been out here, it's definitely one of like Houston's like very well known like chill hookah slash restaurants. A friend of mine has like a section on the stage. She told me to pull up ASAP with the quickness, so I'm about to try to hurry up and get up here. Hopefully I can show you guys some pretty cool stuff. So make sure you keep watching this video and I'm gonna show you guys what it's all about here at 5015. I just parked over across the street from Turkey Leg Hut. There was a parking spot that was $20. That's usually like a normal going rate out here. So if you guys are wondering how much it costs to park out here, like I said, it's usually anywhere from like 10 to 20 bucks. If you pay more than that, you're doing too much.
I ain't talking about shit.
We outside right now. I'm at 5015. You know what I'm saying? My homie Imani in the building. We outside, man. I don't really come to 5015 like that, but as you guys can see, it be lit up here. You know what I'm saying? We on the stage, a little stage section. They got like tables and stuff that you can rent out. You can get you a little section right here. Hey, we out here, man. Hey, y'all should come out here. It's a camera. Hey, I be vlogging. I'm a YouTuber.
Why you putting me in this shit?
Cause you make everybody look at you. I'm trying to get my views up. They don't want to see me. They want to see the baddies. Outside.
You didn't hear that? There she goes. She on her shit again like the other night. Why? You didn't hear that? Don't be recording me.
Everybody getting recorded.
That part.
I'm a move
because y'all be holding a fucking hookah. See me to grab it.
Take it. Take it, ain't you? You want Canon's camera?
Take it. See?
We've been attempting to go ahead and get up out of here, y'all. It's hard. It's thick. It's the crowd be thick. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I don't know what I can do.